Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw an umbrella. Okay. For the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three: snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay. Let me start with circle. Select circle, center radius, and type for the radius 2.5. Okay. 2.5, left click to put the circle on the screen, right click to escape. Now draw the vertical line, select vertical line and type for the length in the box 59.5 and select snap point end, middle points 1, left click, okay, to put the line, and left click to put the second line, right click to escape. Okay, now use horizontal line. Okay. I'm sorry, not use horizontal line. Please use 2 points line and draw the line manually horizontal. Okay, left click and right click to escape, right click again. Okay, next draw the vertical line again. The length is 20, type 20 in the box and select snap point and left click to put the line. Okay, draw the line manually again, 2 points. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, next 26 vertical, type in the length 26, snap point end, left click, okay, right click to escape, select 2 points line again, left click and left click. Oh, sorry. Left click and right click to escape, right click again. Okay, for now we got circle again, and the radius, the diameter for the circle is 15 minus 8 because this circle is outside and that circle is inside, so 15 minus 8, the diameter for our circle is 6. Okay, because the diameter is 6, the radius will be 6 divided by 2 is 3.5. So draw circle 2 points with radius and type for the circles 3.5 and left click at the middle of our select circle center radius and type the radius 3.5 and left click at the middle of our horizontal line there, right click to escape. Okay, and then we got the vertical lines again, select vertical line and the distance is 20, type length 20, snap point end, left click, okay, with the left side of the circle and the right side of the circle, and then right click again to escape. Okay, now we draw the circle. The circle is 8 for the radius. Okay, select circle center radius and type the radius 8. Wow. Put your circle on the outside of the drawing. Press escape to to free the mouse pointer and select the circle and select move for copy tool, left click at the right side of the circle, bring the circle into the position like this. select delete original, click OK. Okay. Next, draw manually horizontal line 2 points as a diameter for the circle, and press escape to free our mouse pointer, and then select trim tool, left click at the diameter and left click at the circle you want to trim, right click to escape, right click again, select the diameter. Okay, and next there are vertical lines. Select vertical and type the length in the box 5, select snap point start, left click at the end of our arch, right click to escape. Okay, next use parallel line tool, select parallel, and do you remember the diameter for our circle there? Yes, 7. Type the distance 7, yeah, 7 in the box, left click near the arch. Okay, and for the line also, and then press escape, sorry, press click right click to escape. Okay, for next I want to copy this circle. Select the circle, select move or copy, and left click at the reference point, the left side of the circle, bring the circle into the position. Select keep original, click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Okay, now select 2 points, draw the diameters. Okay, press escape, left click and right click, escape. Okay, now use trim to remove the unnecessary part. Left click, oh yeah. Select the line, press delete, trim tool again, left click and left click for a circle, right click to escape, left click at the arch and left click at the lines, right click to escape, right click again, select the horizontal and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, use 2 points, draw the diameter, or right click to escape, and select trim tool, left click at the line, left click at the circle to trim, right click, select the line and delete. Okay, now time to draw the main part of the umbrella. Okay, it is a circle. Okay, start from the big one. The diameter for the circle is 55. So draw circle center radius and type the radius 55. Left click at the middle of our horizontal line. Okay, right click to escape. Now draw the diameter, use 2 points. Okay, right click to escape, right click again, and to draw this part, you change the middle points into 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, just 2. Yeah, middle points change into 2. Yeah, and then select the circle, draw the circle radius is 60. Select circle center radius and change the radius into 60. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Right click to escape. We will draw the circle with 2 points with radius. 2 point with radius. Okay, type the radius 60 in the box and left click. Okay, left click at the point. Okay, the pointer will snap into the point. Okay, and bring the circle into right position like this. Okay, it is for the right side. Now the left side, left click and left click again. Okay, bring the circle into the position, right click to escape. Okay, now we will use divide tool. Select divide. Okay, I have forgotten. We have to change the middle points into one again. Okay, and then for now, left click at the circle and the point. Left click again at the circle and the point. Next circle, the point, the circle and the point. Right click to escape. Now we can delete unnecessary part from the circles. Press delete. Okay. Now use trim tool. Select trim. Left click at the diameter for the diameter of the circle and left click at the circle you want to trim. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Now draw this part. It is a circle also. Okay, the diameter for the circle is 25. Select the tool again, 2 points with radius and change the radius. Type the radius 25. Okay, left click for the first point and the second point. Bring the circle into right position. Okay, do the action same. Okay, right click to escape. Now select trim tool. Left click at the circle as a trim line or cut line or limiting line and left click at the circle we want to trim. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Now we can delete the diameter or horizontal line, also this horizontal and this one. Okay, yeah, I think we should, yeah, we should use divide tool, divide, and left click at the line and the point, the line and the point, the line again and the point again, the line and the point again. Right click to escape. Now select the lines and press delete. Okay. It is a nice job. Okay, the next I want to give dimension for our drawing, but I want to create a single layer for dimension, special for dimension only. Click this button at the layer and type the name for the layer is dimension. Oh, and select color for dimension, maybe dark blue. Select width 0.3 and change the line type into dot tiny. Click OK. Change the activator into dimension. And for the parts, I want to create vertical dimension. Select vertical. Okay, vertical. Yeah. Oh. It's wrong. Select again vertical for the point to this point. Okay. Next, okay, still in vertical. But I think I want to change the size of dimension. Select options, current rank preferences, open dimensions tab, change the general scale into 1. Okay, this text style ISO, text height maybe 4, text align horizontal, dimension and gap 3, offset 3, enlarge 3, row size 3, and click OK. select again circle, yes, select again vertical, sorry. Left click and left click. Okay. Oh, too long. I think it's okay. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Yes, 21. Select again vertical, left click and left click. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, for the next vertical, it's okay. No, horizontal. Select horizontal dimension. Oh, horizontal dimension. Okay. Oh, I think we don't need a horizontal dimension. Oh, still horizontal. Yes, select again horizontal. First point and second point. Okay. Okay. Oh, there is vertical dimension. Vertical. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right click escape. Now use dimension for radial, for radius. Okay. Next. Yes. Okay. Next, what is? Oh no. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Right click to escape. Okay, I think it's okay for this umbrella. Okay, I think that's all for today for this video. And thank you very much for watching our video in LibreCAD tutorial channel. I hope you enjoy and can learn something from this video. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.